Gang, we gotta get this thing moving and grooving, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know it's belly time, you know what I mean? We gotta get this thing suited and booted. I'm a little bogus, the toe man here, and I ain't even ready, you know what I'm saying?
I think I just stumbled upon you a couple days ago because I recognized the car.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all know, man, we gotta get this thing situated, so I was trying to move and groove, but let me go ahead and get this thing pulled down so we can get, man, hey man, I've been busy as hell, gang. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. Like big busy. Fire this thing up, let's see. Woo, she fine right up, no issues, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, got a nice tune in her right now. Oh shit, I ain't even got this. Damn, I'm jagging my feet. Hold on, what the fuck? Hey. That was the whole point of having this shit on the back. I probably done jacked the whole shirt anyways by now. Who knows? But I gotta pull this shit out anyways up out of here. You know what I mean? Because we about to go ahead and get the young floors done in this demonstration, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and get it to move on out a little bit. And then I gotta get these seats tossed up out of here. Oh, let me see how you wanna do this. Hold on, guys. So you want me to pull it up as close as we can, because I'm going to take these seats out because the floor is about to get done in the car. So you want me to just pull it up? All right, yeah, that's cool, yeah. And then I'm going to pull the seats out and stuff like that because I'm about to get the floors and all that done here. Okay, bet, yeah. All right, y'all, so I got to go ahead and snatch this stuff on out of here real quick. But hey, man, old Bell thing sitting out here, you know what I'm saying? Hollering right now. Hold on, I'm about to kick on down for y'all because it's a nice sunny day, and I swear to God, if this thing was suited and booted, we'd be in this thing. We wouldn't be playing around, man. Hold on, let me kick it on down, man. Let's kick it down. Let's get it off that high idle. Let's get it off. Yeah, talk to me, baby. Talk to me, baby. Got the young Phil. Woo! Y'all can see what's going on with this thing, man. Wait till y'all see. Yes, sir. Y'all know I'm geeked over this one. Mega geek, but let me go ahead and get these seats up out of here real quick. And then, matter of fact, let me just yoink them demonstrations out. And y'all can stay along for me yoinking them things out. Let me toss all this shit about the inside of here, y'all, and then I cut the camera on. Y'all know we headed over to get the floors done, so sit tight and stay tuned, gang. It's hot as hell out here, and I'm tired now. Gang. I just got done smacking that snicker. I ain't gonna cap, that thing was fire. But man, I'm over here geeking, man. I'm over here just thinking like, man, this warm day right now got me overly thirsty to get the veil situated now, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's got to get situated, like, you know what I mean? It's about to literally, we about to do this, then after this, next step, we're gonna go ahead and take it to the interior and go ahead and get all that dimmed out, but that way we can start driving this thing around. you know what I'm saying, and getting the moving around, because hey, it's been on the tow truck, and hey, it's getting real strong now, you know what I mean? That's a couple tows now. Your boy damn near need a little trucker trailer type demonstration, man, because these tows getting hefty on the kid. I ain't gonna lie to you, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's what's needed to get this thing, you know what I'm saying, to the next location right now to do what it gotta do. So hopefully one more of these things, and then we get it on over there to the interior, and then after that, you know, we can go ahead and drive it around, because right now no seats will make it impossible to put that young crate in there and be hitting the gas and doing all that. Like, we ain't got time for all that, man. But headed to the spot, we literally about like 15 minutes away or whatever. So once we get on over there, you know, I'll hopefully have some cars and stuff like that, so we can show, you know, the work that he done did on other cars and stuff like that, so y'all can go ahead and get a gist of how it's coming, you know what I'm saying, man? Hey, you know, Siri gotta make her entry, you know what I'm saying? But man, I'm just overly thirsty, man. I'm trying to go ahead and get this thing suited and booted for this summer. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to be acting bad this summer in there, man. And it ain't too much to do to it to do that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go ahead and keep moving forward with it, and just sit tight and stay tuned. And hey, like they say, trust the process, man, and just sit tight. It's about to get real nasty on that thing. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. Just sit. Next week, I got a special surprise for y'all. Next week, just know that. Yeah.
1 hour later.
Man, boy, I swear to God, she a beauty just sitting right here. Already just, you know what I'm saying? Stan's just sitting there. She already ready, man. I don't know how I'm about to do this. This about to be a motherfucker to try to do this. I should have left the seats in. Oh, yeah. About to see if we can do this, gang. Hold on, how we gonna do this? Yeah, they got a cam and all type of, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little spiciness to it, yeah. I was surprised I was able to just do that, boy. I'm in the back seat of that thing, but them the floors and the other back side of the trunk side, you know what I'm saying, for all the trunk stuff too. Hey, I'm telling you, hey, I figured that out the first time I grabbed them too. Hold on. Oh, memory. That's crazy, boy. Y'all know I ain't been deleting no type of footage, gang. I done ran out of memory and everything while we right here, man. But I want bro to go ahead, shout out, you know what I'm saying, let them know where to find you and everything too, because you know, good work is hard to find as well, and then especially even just them dabbling on this type of stuff as far as like the metal work and everything like that, you know what I mean? So go ahead, let them know where to find you at, bro.
My IG is Woody, and you can find me on Facebook, Kenneth Woody Face Gant.
Bet. Yes, sir, man. Y'all know that's how y'all get in contact with him. Y'all finna see him water whip it. If y'all go to his page, honestly, y'all already see some dabbles of what he done did before, you know what I'm saying? That's what made me even, you know, reach out to him to go ahead and get the whole veil together, man. So he ain't looking like it's nothing to, you know what I'm saying? He ain't looking worried, you know what I'm saying? He looking like, okay, that's the pieces. Oh, you got it for the parts place? Yeah, okay, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Right to the best source.
Yes, sir. So it's time, man. So, you know, I'm gonna just show y'all this the process. You know, I know y'all looking at it look real nasty and gritty and everything like that, but hey, all it's gonna be all situated real soon, man. So y'all just gotta sit tight, man. Y'all know how this go, man. It's a build process. These old schools, you know, that's the fun part in them, honestly. It's the fun part, and then it's not the fun part in them, you know what I'm saying? The fun part is building them and getting, you know what I'm saying, what you coming to get done and everything like that. The bad part is when, you know what I'm saying, you taking places and then they supposed to be doing stuff and then they don't do what they supposed to do and bullshitting around and all that extra stuff. But the fun part about building it is literally seeing these things coming together, you know what I'm saying, and know that you done put your own flavor on it, you know what I'm saying, to do what it do. So it make it a better feel when you even ride it, you know, you just didn't just buy it and ride it, you feel me? You bought it, put your sauce to it, and now, you know what I'm saying, the car's an expression of you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. I'm telling you, you just get out staring at it just like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Man, but yeah, y'all see he ready to get to it. I ain't about to sit here too long. You got some other cars that's done, or you got other projects, you know what I'm saying, you want to show them on the vlog? See, you got that young boo back here. The MC2. Oh, hey, you know it's never ending. It's never ending. Training day. This the training day demonstration, ain't it? Yes, sir. You definitely barely see these. Uh-oh, motor swap. What you doing? What you doing?
5.3 in there, man. I don't know. I was most focused on the Cutlass, but I might have to jump back and throw something in there so I can get on some back.
You say it's time to go ahead and get back to it. Oh yeah, y'all see the interior too, man. Nice and clean. Got the console done up in here too. Yeah. Yes sir. Yes sir. The V's too. Oh yeah, man. You know what time it is, bro. You gotta go ahead and do what it do. Yeah.
Interior.
Oh damn, I'm tripping, bro. I ain't gonna even cap. I ain't even peeped the roof.
Yeah.
I be moving too fast sometimes when I be vlogging. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even peeped the roof. Damn, you put the double roof in this demonstration and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, damn. And you did the roof yourself? Oh, dang. Oh, you done did. Oh, so you done did a couple of them now. This ain't even the first, so it's easy peasy now. Damn, I ain't even peeped that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was moving. Right, cause you got to do a whole custom headliner to match up with the shit like that. Oh hell yeah! Oh yeah, see, boy, Cooley be putting y'all in tune with people, boys. I get in tune with them, y'all gonna get in tune with them. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. You got a boo in this demonstration too, sitting on some gold empty. Them look like MTWs. Yeah. Oh, okay. With the okay. Yes, sir. Oh, these sixes, I ain't even peeped that. Sitting on that 6. Okay. Got the wheel to match the wheel. The guts done up in this demonstration too. Nice and suited. Yeah. I'll see, man. Old school nation around here, man. You feel me?
LS on the way.
Oh, you say LS? Oh, this another project you got going on right here?
Yeah, this one of my dad's shit, my brother's shit.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all done painted this demonstration. Okay. You say, yeah, let me show y'all what we working with. I like this color. You say it's a killer in here? Woo-wee. Y'all see, man. They got projects on the way. Oh, you just did his flows. Oh yeah, I can see them bitches look super crispy too. Oh yeah, see, this the work right here. Y'all can see how he coming, you know what I'm saying? Floors up in here, you know what I mean? Brand new floors up in here. They still gotta, you know what I mean? Clean all the interior stuff up, but I mean, it's a project. You see what's going on. Everything is suited and booted. Suited and booted. You say he got that young killer in this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that hood scoop on there too. Yeah, I'm gonna be on the lookout for this for sure, man. Yeah, for sure. Oh, this a cutty right here? Okay. Y'all getting all the metal work and everything done.
Put the quarter on here.
Okay, you did the quarter yourself. You be doing the body work at all. Okay. Oh, damn, you did the full floor in this demonstration too. Y'all see it, man. Full floor in this demonstration too, all the way together. I mean, yeah, this how I'm trying to come back and look at the young man, you feel me? That's how I'm trying to come back and look at the young man. He got the quarters in there, y'all know it's done. It's like it's a check. You put a check mark on that, you know what I mean? They already know you certified now, bro. They see it was to it, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. See, you see the work when you come here? Y'all know how it's about to get done. Now he gonna go ahead and do his thing, you know, and hey, I come back, check it out, put it on the vlog, and y'all know, all the contact information gonna be in this description as well, so y'all can contact him too, you know what I'm saying? Cause hey, if y'all, I like spreading the wealth, you know what I mean? Y'all got work and need stuff done, and y'all need people and can't find people to do it, come on, you know what I'm saying? Let's get right. We all trying to act bad, so
sure.
Sit tight, gang, and yeah, stay tuned.